Hi there, students. Preamble. Preamble is a noun. It can also be a verb, but it's much more common as a noun. A preamble is an introduction, a preliminary statement, an initial remark or explanation that introduces a formal document, maybe a speech or a legal statute. So the first paragraph of the document was a preamble. He started his speech with a preamble that explained the background to the situation. A preamble is something preliminary before the main event. A foreword, a preface, a prologue. So, without further preamble, we should get down to the nitty-gritty of this. Okay, a preamble can also be used more figuratively to refer to an introductory fact or circumstance. For example, the assassination of Archduke Ferdinand was the preamble to the First World War. A curtain raiser, an overture, a prelude. His early discoveries were just a preamble of what was to come later. The team's victory in the first round was just a preamble to them winning the competition. So normally the preamble of my video starts with the word, and then I tell you if there's a noun or an adverb or an adjective. And then I give you the basic definition, and then I go on with it. Okay, a law is often published with a preamble, an explanation of what it aims to do, of why the law has been made, on what basis this law has been put together. Very often you find a preamble to a constitution. So one thing that would be interesting is actually to look at the verb to amble. To amble means to walk slowly and in a relaxed way. He ambled along the street. Yeah, he's not walking fast, he's walking casually and slowly, taking time to smell the flowers. So to amble, to walk slowly in a relaxed way. So I guess that's your introduction, because then it gets more intense. This statement preambled the later the later bits of the document. So as a verb you can use it. I think I would give this word preamble something like 6.5 in formality. Could you use it in an informal conversation? Maybe. I think I'd prefer an introductory statement, an initial statement, a beginning, a start, or something like that. But use preamble definitely for something semi-formal or formal. And then what about the origin? Well, in late Latin we have a word preambulus, meaning to go before. Prae, before, and ambulare, to walk. So to walk before. And the preamble walks before the main piece. So a preamble, an introductory explanation, or an introductory fact, or the first thing that happens, a curtain raiser, which then leads to other circumstances. So there we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Preamble.